So how do we do Vastu? We do it completely based on your chart. We completely do specific to your particular energy, which is not a generic energy. So be it your residence, villas, offices, warehouses, yes, we can do each one of them. Hello and namaste. My name is Karthik Gaur, and clients globally keep requesting us, especially my team, in terms of a video which will give them an easier understanding of the types of consultation that we do. As you know that we do various types of consultation, but primarily I wanted to focus on three major consultations that we do. The first one is a quick consult. Now, this is a 30-minute consultation, which is prima facie focused to the ones that who are first timers. So those who haven't probably had a chance, or probably those who are a little tight on budget, sort of, so to say, are the people who can actually go for this consultation. Also, those who have already had a longer consultation with me, sort of a detailed consultation with me, and then want to follow up in a short consultation and just want to focus on one particular issue of their life again. So this is a focused 30-minute consultation with a background of the soul, the karmic journey, why you born in the first place, so a bit of a rectification part of it, bit of a soul journey, and then we focus into one major issue or a challenge that you're going through, plus the remedies. So within 30 minutes, you get a lot of it. So if you don't have too many complications in life and want to focus on one area of life, then this is a consultation that you should go for. The other consultation, which is actually our most sought after consultation, is the detailed or a business consultation. Now, this can be in a 75-minute or a 90-minute option, and the help desk numbers are mentioned in the slide itself. But this has a detailed understanding of the issues that you are going through, and prima facie at least couple or three sort of major areas of our life can be covered in this particular consultation. This is most sought after because not only can we give the remedies, but we can understand each domain area of our life in detail, and more importantly, why are the problems coming through. So a sound understanding, because we have more time to discuss, there is a better understanding of the whole situation. There is a method or a logic to what's happening in your life, and then we work out the remedies and the plan of action going forward. Because there is 75-minute to 90-minute sort of a period, there are 3 to 5 major questions that we can handle in this consultation. And if at all you want more information, you can definitely email us or WhatsApp us. The numbers are given in the links as well. The third one is a Vastu consultation. Now, when I say Vastu consultation, the way we do it, the way Karthik Gaur Global does it, is completely different from the run-of-mill Vedic consultations or the Vastu consultations that you generally have. We genuinely believe that your Vastu or your energy or your particular chart has a completely different destiny. Hence, to go by generic rules that hey, the Kubera is going to be in the northern direction, so have your cash over there, or the accounts department over there, frankly speaking, doesn't work. Why? Because the Mercury in your chart could be in debility, and if you are going to keep anything in those directions, you can actually end up losing it. Offices, warehouses, yes, we can do each one of them. So if you are interested, then definitely WhatsApp the team. The messages are given, the email IDs are given, and they will surely be able to help you. So this is it. I wanted to keep it short and sweet. I'm sure it has helped you. And if there is any more information you need, we are always there to help you. Thank you.